can find this printable sewing pattern in the description. Cut back detail of the skirt with center fold. Cut one front detail without center fold. Cut waist detail. Cut another front detail with center fold. I used different style fabric. Pleat this detail to a 1/4 of your waist measurement. Cut the lining. Cut to details with center fold. Sew vertical seams of the skirt, leave opening for the zipper. Connect lining to the skirt. Add the waistline detail folded in half. Add secret zipper. Good luck!